Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Juju. I am here with a little crochet install, y'all. As you can see, my hair is already braided, so we're gonna jump right into it. No time to waste today. We have things to do. So I will be installing this here that I will go ahead and unbox. It is from UnionBeauty or Union something. Don't quote me. Dang it, I forgot already. UnionBeauty, I believe. It is 8 packs of 14-inch. It's that gaudy some boho look braid. This is what the hair looks like, you guys. This is what I will be installing. I cannot lie, y'all. I'm a little bit excited. That's why this intro is going by so fast. I am using a braid pattern from another install that I had in. I only had it in for about 4 days. I am too lazy. I am too lazy to rebraid my hair. So this is what we're using, and that's what it is. I don't got time to start over. I really don't. Anyways, guys, let's just install this really quick. As you know, on my channel, I try. Sometimes it doesn't work out because I tend to forget to record things, but I try not to only give you guys an install. So be sure to stay tuned because I'll be sure to give you guys pictures of how I look throughout the time that I am wearing the hair, whether it is good, whether it is bad, whatever the case may be, and give you guys a little wrap up at the end. I typically wear the hair for about 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks or so. So stay tuned to the end or scroll to the end if you're here for the review and you will see. So let's get started. You guys, I'm really hoping that some mousse will get these hairs that's tangling together, because that is gonna be a problem if they keep doing what they're doing right now. I'm literally like, please don't get too crazy looking before I get a chance to finish. I'm looking down because I'm looking at my mirror. I'm literally like, please don't get a chance to look like too crazy before I freaking finish this hair, because sis, we're gonna have a problem if it does. So right now I'm still on the first pack, and as you guys can see, or I've probably already said, I am using the illusion method. So I'm installing it on top of each box that I have for right now. I'm gonna see how full this looks, and if needed, I will go back in and maybe, you know, put some on the piece in between just in case it's needed. Trying to think of like what I can do. Maybe I should pull it from here instead so that everything comes through at once. Oh, that works better. So my tip for installing these is when you grab it on the hook, grab it from above where the curl is, because that way the curl won't mess up as you're pulling it through. Since this is where I tend to part my hair, I am gonna put one at the beginning of the braid of the box and then one at the end of the box, just to make that fuller. The way it's looking so far, guys. Kinda liking it. With all that's in my hair right now, I'm still on the first pack. There is 16 braids I counted in the first pack that I opened, so I'm gonna assume that every pack has 6 in it. That is 1 pack of hair right now, guys. Oh, my little braid back here, I essentially just crocheted into my hair. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere. Now let's get some more done. So this is what the hair is looking like with 2 packs of hair, guys. I'm actually pretty pleased because if you watch my last video, we know that by 2 packs, we barely had this much hair in my head. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of the hair. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when it is done. More than likely, y'all, I am gonna put some mousse on this when I'm done, just to kind of give it some more, like bring it together a little bit better and to give it a little bit more mobility. Because right now, I do feel like it's a little bit stiff. It's a little bit stiff. So I'm putting a little bit of mousse on it just to, you know, get it to where it needs to go. So let's go. Well, friends, guess what? I'm done. We are done, y'all. I am loving this hair. I am loving this hair. I had a great feeling it was gonna look good, but you guys know what I just realized, which is not a totally bad thing, because maybe this will get over my phobia of installing loose crochet hair. This method or this hairstyle is essentially a mixture of crochet braids and loose crochet hair. And right now I'm kind of freaking out because I'm literally like, well, I wanted to keep this in for a little while, but is the loose crochet hair going to freaking tangle? So for that reason, I did not put mousse on the hair as of yet. So this is it, and it's just natural state. This is what it looks like after I put it in. It has no products in it. This is just what it's looking like. You guys can kind of see, I kind of did a flip over method right now, right here. These are kind of coming out. You guys can see. I just kind of like flipped it over. I had originally put my part right here, but then right before I came on camera, I flipped my hair and I just did this. And by accident, I was like, oh, that kind of looks cute. So we're just gonna leave it like that for now. It is given everything I wanted it to give. Right now, I'm about to make a random trip to Target for no reason other than I feel like I look good, so I'm gonna go buy some water to hydrate. Anyways, guys, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope you did. And actually, is this the end? Actually, I'm gonna show you guys how the hair looked while I was wearing it. This sun is giving melanin right now. Hello, skin, sunshine. Yes, like it's giving what it needs to give. Guys, so it is essentially the day I'm about to take this hair out. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know this hair was really pretty good. Like, I would definitely recommend this hair because you know what? It did me good. It did me so good, y'all. And guess what? I was able to even wear it at the top of my head, which I've said in a few of my videos, like, wearing my hair up is not something that I can do. But yeah, I've had it in for 4 weeks at this point. I did everything with this hair. This hair probably saw more exposure to the, y'all, apologies, my neighbor's dog, it obviously, it must have saw a squirrel or something because it's being really loud today. The disrespect. Guys, I don't know what the dog saw, but it finally stopped barking. But this hair is very well lived in. But what I love most about it is it really was no maintenance. I was lazy. I didn't feel like maintaining it. So The hair, it does get a little bit like you can see, like it could get a little bit like stuck together, but I feel like that is to be expected when you have loose crochet hair. I don't really wear loose crochet hair. I literally just stick to the braids, twists, and just anything dreads, like faux locks. Like I do not wear loose crochet hair, so I'm assuming this is the way that it normally goes, where it kind of like sticks together a lot. This hair did that, but I didn't really go through and like separate the hair. The only time I ever really separated the hair was, there were days when sometimes I would find myself like bored and I'm lost in thought, and I'd just be like doing this with the hair, just kind of like, you know, like detangling it. I never went through row by row, section by section, and had to do a full detangle, but yet the hair looks fine. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you want to get this hair, get it. It is great. For the 4 weeks that I've had it in, it's been very lightweight on my hair. It looks great every time I went out. I never had a moment where I was like, oh my god, my hair looks terrible. Easy to maintain. You don't have to do a lot to it. I put no products in my hair the entire time that I've had it in, y'all. The only thing I put in my hair was putting like a combination of oils on my scalp, not on the hair. It is a no maintenance type of hair. For those who are a little bit more particular about their hair, you might want to go through and detangle it. I didn't, because I just don't have the time, y'all. I'm too lazy. That's why crochet here, like I'm gonna do the crochet braids, because I needed to stay the same way that it looked when I put it in at the end. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, a like, comment below if you have anything to say, and of course, if you do both of those, feel free to subscribe, because that means you might like it, girl. Anyways, bye.